Hi everyone, this is going to be a super quick clean my stair carpet with me. I've set myself a challenge. I'm going to set a timer on my phone for 10 minutes and hope that I can clean the stair carpet in 10 minutes. All I'm going to use is Vanish carpet mousse. You'll have seen this in one of my previous videos or in one of my, I think I've done it in one of my favourite cleaning products. That's what that was in. And a trusted scrub and brush, 49p from Home and Bargain. I just use this to scrub the stairs. And some microfiber cloths. I get asked about these all the time. What cloths do I use? They're just Asda multi-purpose cloths, and there's two in that. I use that just to rub over the banister when I'm done. So I'm going to set a timer. I've got 10 minutes, top of the stairs to the bottom. Let's see if we can do it. I'm going to try and do it so the video is, I might time lapse a little bit, but I don't want to edit too much because I don't want to make it look like I've paused the time when I haven't. So 10 minutes. Let's see what we can do. Wish me luck. So you can see the foam. I'm going to start at the top and work my way up. I tend to spray it down the middle. God. I spray down the middle of the stairs. So, because that's where people walk basically, is up the middle of the stairs. So I'm going to start at the top and work my way down. Two stairs, always get battered in our house. If you're not sweating while you're doing this, you're not doing it properly. Calories burned. Not just doing the stairs, that's from this morning. That goes to show I never stop. And then, dump that there. 5 minutes, I'm halfway there and I'm nearly done. Now I just need to slip my shoes off. Now I'm going to hoover. I've got 3 minutes.
with time to spare. 8.5 minutes. My God. So that's my workout for today. My heart rate. Tell you now, it's a really good workout though. 10 minutes. 150. That's like being in the gym, isn't it? So when people go, don't you go to the gym, don't you work out? No, I clean my house. And that's a good enough workout for me. 10 minutes though, took me, well, 9 minutes. I'm just biding time now to count it down to 10, but that was super quick.
I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. I think my heart rate alone deserves a thumbs up. Hope you have a lovely day. Don't forget to subscribe. Everything's linked down below what I've used, including the cloths, the vanish, what I'm wearing. Saves you all asking. I post on Monday, Wednesday and Sundays. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Still not even on 10 yet, and I'm done. The sweat's pouring off me. Breathe. I'm gonna go and do yoga now. Bye guys.
Trusted scrub and brush. A trusted scrub and brush, 49 pence from Home Bargains.